Mike McConville here again for StringTech Workstations, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. I thought I would film this one because, it's a bit of an unusual one. This has been scalloped, the fingerboard. I'm sure you've heard of this, and some people have seen it, and some people have had it done. If you're Ingwe Malmsteen, you play guitar like that, you do whatever you want, and people will do whatever you want. But I'm not really crazy about this idea. I think John, did make the right move with going with the stainless steel frets, because once these frets come out, it's goodbye to that fingerboard. I mean, you can see they went so deep. You can see the indexing pin. I haven't done the final values yet for this compensated nut, but I've got the string height, string spacing. What is it, a Les Paul Classic? John has had issues with tuning. This compensated nut is done. It was a bit of an optical illusion doing that final filing. And like I said in previous videos, when you get on the home stretch with these things, man, every stroke of the file counts. Proceed with caution. The saddles and the bridge are not quite in the same place when you do a compensated nut. There was a customer that posted a comment recently. He said, well, what are the values? Well, I'm not being evasive here, but the values do change depending on the gauge of string, the action, the tuning, and the scale length. Now that compensated nut is on there, this guitar is right up to snuff. I want to give credit where credit is due. Great fret job. This is a little short scale Epiphone guitar, and it's not worth a lot of money. But it's been set up, and you're never going to get a big, robust sound out of this guitar, but it plays perfectly in tune. Gary spent more on getting a compensated nut, frets dressed, and the thing set up than he did on buying the guitar. But the point is, it's in tune. It's just as in tune as that Les Paul I just did. So the point is, even a cheap guitar, as long as the bridge is in the right place, it can be set up to play just as accurately as a very expensive guitar. But it takes a bit of work to get it there. There you go.